Hello everyone. So in today's video of chapter acids, bases and salts, I'll be talking about importance of pH in everyday life. Importance of pH in everyday life. Plants and animals are sensitive to pH changes. The pH plays an important role in the survival of animals including human beings. Our body works well within the narrow pH range, which is 7 to 7.8. If due to some reasons this pH range get disturbed in the body of the person, then many ailments can occur. The aquatic animals can survive in lake or river within the narrow range of pH change, and when the pH of rainwater is about 5.6, it is called acid rain. Too much of acid rain can lower down the pH of lake water to such an extent that the survival of aquatic animals will become difficult. The high acidity of lake water or river water can kill the aquatic animals. Calcium carbonate is often added to acidic lake water to neutralize the acid that comes from acid rain. We can say most of the plants grow best when the pH of soil is close to 7. If soil is too acidic or too basic, the plants grow badly, or maybe they do not grow only. The soil may be acidic or basic naturally, and it is also be affected by the chemical fertilizers used in the field. The pH of acidic soil can reach as low as 4 value, and the basic soil can go up to 8.3. Chemicals can be added for Chemicals can be added to the soil to adjust pH and make it suitable for growing crops. If the soil is too acidic, having low pH value, then it is treated with the materials or substance like quicklime, calcium oxide or calcium hydroxide or calcium carbonate. All these materials are base, and they used to react with excess of acid and reduce its acidity. However, if the soil is too basic, which is having a high pH value, then compost or manure used to be added, which contains some acidic material to maintain the pH value of the soil. Now, next importance is during indigestion, the stomach produces too much hydrochloric acid, which cause pain and irritation. And this excess of acid in stomach can be cured by having some substances called as antacids. Antacids are the mild bases like magnesium hydroxide or milk of magnesia. These compound neutralizes the excess of acid and give relief. Tooth decay. pH change as the cause of tooth decay also. When we eat food like the food which is having sugar, then the bacteria present in our mouth break down the sugar to form acids. For example, lactic acid. This acid lower down the pH value of mouth, and the tooth decay start when the pH of acid formed inside the mouth falls below 5.5. This is because this acid becomes strong enough to attack the tooth enamel, which is made up of calcium phosphate, and get corroded. The best way to prevent tooth decay is to clean the mouth thoroughly after eating food, or by rinsing it with lots of clean water. Many toothpaste contain bases to neutralize the mouth acid. So using the toothpaste which are basic for cleaning the teeth can neutralize the excess of acid in mouth and prevent tooth decay. And the last is self-defense by animals and plants. Many animals and plants protect themselves from their enemies by injecting painful and irritating acid or base into the skin. For example, honeybee. When a honeybee stings a person, it injects an acidic liquid into the skin, and that acidic liquid is formic acid or methanoic acid, which causes immense pain and irritation. When the bee stings a person, then rubbing a mild base like baking soda solution on the stung area of the skin gives relief. Why? Being a base, baking soda neutralizes the acidic liquid injected by the bee sting and neutralize its effect. Another example, when a wasp stings, it injects an alkaline liquid into the skin. Alkaline means basic. If the wasp sting a person, then rubbing a mild acid like vinegar on the stung area of the skin gives relief. Again, because of the neutralization reaction between the acidic substance and the vinegar to cancel out the effect of the wasp sting. So this is all about the importance of pH in everyday life. Thank you.